So we were out at dinner. I'm actually picking up dinner. And we are staying at a electric and water hookup campground in Jamestown, North Dakota. And we come back and, sorry, I'm having to use a flashlight for extra light in here. We come back and water is pouring out of the freshwater tank, basically bleeder line, which is this one. So this is the freshwater fill. So when you go to fill your freshwater tank, on the outside you put water in here and it fills your freshwater tank. This line, I'll call it a bleeder line, what it does is it allows the air from the tank to escape to outside. Now this is the freshwater fill, or the city water. And you can see that right here, right there, there's a T. That T comes out of the freshwater pump and then into this line here, that line right there, which is going to the cold water lines in the trailer. So there should be an actuator valve in the water pump. And when the water pump's off, that actuator valve should close. So you connect to city water, the water comes in here, it fills the line back into the water pump, that actuator valve's closed so that water can't go past the water pump, and then it fills the rest of the lines in your trailer. Our actuator valve was stuck open. So I'll insert a picture right here that shows the mess on the outside of the trailer. Obviously I shut the water off as quickly as possible so it wasn't continuing to overflow on the outside of the trailer. So I don't have a picture of that, but you can see the mess that it left on the ground. Now we watched a video from Sunset Seekers. I'll put their channel link in the description below. And basically they said the same thing that I did, is that actuator valve got stuck open. So here's the solution. The solution is fill your freshwater tank, number one. Number two, turn off city water. Number three, which is the step that we're on right now, let your pump run for about 10 minutes, maybe a little bit more, just to get all the air out. Now you might need to open your cold water valves and your hot water valves to achieve that. Let those valves run until all of the air is out of the lines. Once all the air is out of the lines, reconnect your city water. Now this should cure this issue of that actuator valve in the water pump not closing. Go ahead and comment below. Let me know if you've had this same issue. Let me know if this has fixed your problem. And go ahead and subscribe and like the video. Thanks for watching.